Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back to share with you a very nice and super easy poncho for whoever likes ponchos and throw-ons. So this is very easy. It is using the granny stripes and it is worked in a triangular shape. It's one row repetition throughout the work till the end of the pattern. So before I start with the tutorial and show you how to make it, I'll give you some details. So this is worked in the round. Once we make a chain, we're gonna close it and start working in the round with 2 corners increase, which are very easy for this poncho. Also for this pattern, you will need around 5 to 6 yarn balls of 100 grams, depending how big or small you want it. This is made of 30 rows total, 30. The neck part, you decide how big or small you want it as well, but this is good for all sizes. And that's it, we'll get started right away. So I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic. And 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I will start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 80. And 80 chains are complete. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back to the first chain, making sure the right side is facing outside. So I'm gonna make a round, again making sure the wrong side is facing me and the right side is on the outer side or the opposite side. And I'm gonna join them together with a slip stitch. So join at the beginning of the chain and join the last chain with a slip stitch and pull to tighten. This is how it should be. So again, we need to check it is joined properly so you don't get a twisted circle later on. So we're gonna start working on this first chain. I'm gonna chain 2 and I will make a 3 double crochet in this first chain. So in the very first chain, 3 double crochet, I'm gonna chain 2 and in the same chain I'm gonna add 3 double crochet. So this is the first corner created. I'm gonna chain 2 and I'm gonna add 3 double crochet. Before that, what we can do, so we don't get confused later on, From this first chain I'm gonna count 40. So I have 80 stitches. I did chain 80 stitches, so I need to divide this chain in two, so I get two corners. This is the first corner, and I will need to make a second corner. So from this stitch I will count 40. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And this is 40. I'm gonna come on the 40th chain and place a stitch marker. That's where I'm gonna make the second corner. And now I can start working properly. So I'm gonna skip 2, and in the next chain I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. I'm gonna skip 2 again, and in the next chain 3 double crochet. And I'm gonna repeat till my stitch marker, skip 2, 3 double crochet in the next chain. That's how we create the granny stripe effect. And here I'm at my stitch marker, and where I'm gonna work my next corner. Yes, so skip 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain. So another corner created, and these will be the two corners I'm gonna work on during the entire work. This is how it looks. Again, I'm gonna skip 2, and I will continue 3 double crochet till I'm back to the beginning. Skip 2 and 3 double crochet. And continue the same. this is my last cluster of this round, and I'm gonna join to the initial chain 2 with a slip stitch. So this is how it looks like with the first round, and this is how it should look like from this point onwards. So the next row, which is round 2, will be the repetition round throughout the entire work. So that's the only round you will be repeating till you finish your project. So I'm gonna chain 2, and in this corner and in the next corner as well, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So this is extending the corner, and it's also an increase to make the poncho big. In the next space, now we're working only in the spaces. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. So each and every space, 3 double crochet. In the corners, which is this one and this one, we're gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. That's all you need to know. And here is the next corner. Again, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And I'm gonna continue 3 double crochet in each and every space till the end of the round. And this is the last space where I started the chain 2. I'm gonna add 2 double crochet only, and the chain 2 is considered as the third double crochet. You can chain 3 instead of 2, but I prefer 2, it's neater. And slip stitch to the top chain, and this is how it is getting bigger This is how it looks like. So you're gonna continue the same way for as many rows as you want. Like I said, I did 30 rows for my poncho, and it's big enough to cover the shoulder and the torso and body. So I hope you liked the tutorial and found it useful. You'll find the written pattern linked in the description box, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.